So we're gonna be heading to Hershey's Chocolate World today. Hershey's Chocolate World is about as close to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory as you can get.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna call you right out. Thank you.
We're visiting Chocolate World at Christmas time, so they have a Christmas tree and Christmas decorations all throughout Chocolate World. So here at Chocolate World, they got stuff your own peanut butter cup. You got a giant peanut butter cup, and you can choose 4 items to put into your peanut butter cup. So you can pick 4 mix-ins. Tammy and I are going to each pick 2. I picked pretzel bits and the chopped brownie, and Tammy picked the white chocolate chips and the Reese's Pieces. You can also get toppings as well. So we're gonna add the Hershey's caramel syrup to our peanut butter cup too. We're gonna make one, and we're gonna get the pretzel bits, the brownie, the Reese's Pieces, and the white chocolate chips.
Oh, my favorite.
Yeah, balance out all that chocolate.
Ooh, there's the nice warm brownie from that giant tray.
He said we made a good mix.
I think we made a good mix.
Oh wow, look at the marble slab. Kind of like a put some creamery. Look at this.
So that's the technique. You make a little cup and put all the ingredients inside. This guy's a professional mixer.
Well, and he did it where he made it nice and smooth.
Now this is the same peanut butter that's in a regular peanut butter cup. It's just we get it straight from the factory, which is just 5 minutes up the road.
So fresher.
So this will be the freshest Reese's peanut butter cup you will ever have.
Nice.
I am not eating the whole thing.
No, we're gonna share. Our kids might even get some.
Popular idea.
Yeah.
Now on the table, this will be good for a week.
Okay.
But if you stick it in the refrigerator, it'll be good for 2.
Okay.
You can pick 2 toppings.
Okay.
We're gonna get the caramel drizzle.
Yeah.
Just that?
You want to get chocolate too?
Sure.
All right, caramel and chocolate.
Ooh. Wow. Wow.
Voila.
Thank
Perfect.
you.
That's beautiful.
Thank you, Abraham.
Yep. Now one way to eat it is break the lid into pieces and like
Scoop
chip
it.
and dip it.
Yeah.
And if you're real careful with the bowl, when you have all the peanut butter out, put ice cream in the bowl.
Oh.
That sounds good.
Then you can eat the bowl.
Nice.
So Tammy's standing with our giant peanut butter cup that we stuffed with pretzels, white chocolate chips, Reese's Pieces, caramel drizzle, chocolate drizzle, and brownie.
Yes, and the peanut butter is fresh from down the road.
Yeah, it's going to be delicious. So this part is create your own candy bar. You go in after putting on your hairnet and your apron, and you pick what toppings you want inside your candy bar, and the assembly line makes it for you. So here's where we get our aprons and our hairnets.
Here we are at Chocolate World, and Sean's getting suited up with his apron. Yeah, and his hairnet, so we can go in to make our own candy bars. Woo!
So Tammy's putting on her hairnet, and she's got her apron on, getting ready to make her own candy bar. And you start right here by designing your packaging and your name for your candy bar. This part the inclusion zone, and in the inclusion zone you get to choose what your bar is going to be made out of. I'm going to choose milk chocolate, and then you also get to choose what you put into your bar. So with my milk chocolate, I'm gonna put in pretzel bits, the Heath toffee bits, and vanilla chips. Ooh, that's gonna be a good one. And do I want sprinkles on top? Of course I do. Oh, that's gonna be good. Now we're gonna go to the factory and watch our chocolate bar be born. So here's the big vat of milk chocolate that they use to enrobe your chocolate bar when it's done. There's Tammy, she chose the white chocolate. So there's her white chocolate base.
There's yours.
I think that was a smart move to do the white chocolate because it's gonna get enrobed in chocolate at the end. So that would be a good contrast. And there's mine, I picked the milk chocolate base. And there it is getting laid down right there. So this part of the assembly line is going to put the white chocolate bits and automatically put them into the candy bar. There they go, dropping in. And as your candy bar goes down the assembly line, each machine drops in automatically the different items that you chose to go in your chocolate bar. After your assembly line is the chocolate enrober, and your chocolate bar goes under this cascading waterfall of chocolate, and then it bounces it up and down to smooth out the chocolate on top. After the cascading chocolate is draped over your candy bar, you can choose to have sprinkles put on it, and this machine automatically puts the sprinkles on top of your candy bar. Why wouldn't you choose to get sprinkles? So this part of the operation is the drying line, and you can watch your candy bar go past here and get dried, and it moves along this entire conveyor belt during the drying process right here. So here's the packaging design studio. This is where you get to log on to a computer screen and design the packaging for your chocolate bar. So I added my stickers. I decided to go with a Christmas theme with Santa and the Hershey mascots dressed up for winter. So you hit done and it asks if your packaging is okay, and I think mine looks great. And the machine slides your candy bar into the carton with a little push knob right there. Here it's going to push one in, and then it goes along the assembly line and out to packaging. And here's where you pick up your bar. It's like that's mine right there, ready to be picked up. They give you a nice metal tin, and then there's the custom-made packaging around it. So here at the end, it's a wrap, and this is where they give you your bar, and you get to enjoy it and go home with it. There's Tammy's bar, and there's the one I made, and it's going to be delicious. So here at Chocolate World, they have the Hershey Chocolate Tour Ride. It's a moving platform that goes through and tells you how Hershey's hot chocolate is made, including a virtual tour of the factory. There's Milton Hershey greeting us for the ride. As you wait in line for the Hershey ride that tells you a little bit about Hershey milk chocolate, they tell you the history of the Hershey company, and they even tell you a little bit about harvesting cacao to make the Hershey's chocolate. So here's the factory tour ride here at Chocolate World. It's a continuous ride that goes through and tells you how the Hershey's chocolate is made. You ride on these little moving carts.
We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
It's the milk we make that's at the heart. Sweet inspiration from the very start, and you can taste the love all over the world.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts. We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? And feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs.
Hey everyone! Bologna are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years.
Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs. dry the chocolate cones with fresh powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. We feed the chocolate foam through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency.
Machines use little granite rollers to smooth and transform refined froth into milk chocolate.
We can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor line.
And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone. Thanks for coming.
Bye-bye!
And at the end of the ride, you get a free sample of Hershey's milk chocolate.
Yep, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
One of the things that you can do here at Chocolate World is Hershey's Unwrapped, a chocolate tasting journey. And they're going to guide you using a show through the tasting and chocolate experience.
So we're going to get these inside. Now,
So-
once we get started, there is no recording and no flash photography.
So they give you this chocolate kit, and as you go through the show, they have you open up and do different experiences with the chocolate inside of this kit. So you can't film during the show, but it's going to be starting soon. They give you this kit, and it has different items inside that you open up, and then they guide you through tasting and smelling chocolate. And it's a fun little interactive experience here at Chocolate World. So here's the Hershey chocolate store. They've got clothing, memorabilia, t-shirts, all kinds of stuff, and obviously lots of candy you can buy. There's the checkout line right there that they keep moving along. You can customize your own candy here. It really is extensive. In the middle of the store, they got this tropical terrarium with trees and a glass roof and tropical plants. And they even got this nice little waterfall here. And this is all right in the middle of Chocolate World with the store and the items you can buy all around here. So they got things that are hard to find other locations. For example, here's birthday cake kisses. They've got giant Hershey kisses, caramel kisses, chocolate truffle kisses, strawberry Hershey kisses, yogurt kisses, and hazelnut kisses. So here you can even meet the Hershey mascots. Tammy's saying hi to the Hershey bar. Happy Chocolate World.
Happy Chocolate World.
Merry Christmas, everybody. So in this spot, you can fill up a bucket or a bag, choosing all of your favorite different candies. And they got the machines that drop the candies into your bucket or your bag. It is Christmas time here at Hershey. So they got this giant gingerbread house, more like a chocolate house made out of different types of Hershey chocolate. I can see chocolate bars making the shingles on the roof. I can see Kit Kats in front of the porch there. It says Hershey's on the top of the porch. So you got all different types of Hershey chocolate being used to make this awesome giant gingerbread chocolate house here for the holidays. That's awesome. So here you can get the most decadent milkshakes here. They also have sundaes. This board shows you the different sundaes that you can get. And then underneath the board, they have this display showing some of the different milkshakes that you can get here at the milkshake stand at Chocolate World here at Hershey. They have a spot here where you can get some hamburgers and pizza. They even have some beer that you can get if you'd like to enjoy that. Yuengling makes a Hershey Porter that you can get here at the park. Yuengling is the oldest brewery in America, and you can get your Yuengling Hershey Porter along with a giant pretzel here. That's like one of the biggest pretzels I've ever seen. That's pretty cool. Here at Chocolate World, you can get some food to eat. You can create your own mac and cheese. They have a bread bowl, and they'll put that all together right here at this station. So they also have this bakery where you can get cookies. They've got different cupcakes that you can buy already pre-packaged right here. You can see that they sell hot chocolate and coffees here. You can also get a giant s'mores. And then here's some more giant cookies as well. There's the machine where they make the giant s'mores. They're coming out right now.